In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add thanks for watching nice animation or effect at the end of your video in Filmora. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, to do this, we are going to use effects. And first, go ahead and add your video on your timeline. Once you have added it, go ahead and look for these effects here. And you can see we have quite a number of effects here. Now, scroll down and look for thanks effect. If you can't find it, you can also just use this scroll down here to look for your effects. Now, to do that, go ahead and add your video on your timeline. Once you have added it, go ahead and click on stickers here. And as you can see here, we have quite a number of stickers that you can use. Among them are subscribe as well as like stickers. And we have a thanks for watching sticker, which is here. And you can simply go ahead and download it before we can add it on our video. Now, once it has been downloaded, you can see how it appears here. To add it on your video, go ahead and just click on plus and it will be added. Now, you have to move this thanks for watching note to the perfect or the exact location you want it to be added. For my case, I want to add it at the end, and we can simply just add it here such that it becomes the last thing. So if I move it there, you can see the thanks for watching has appeared towards the end of the video. You can go ahead and resize it and also move it to the correct location. I like to move it down below. So if I now play my video, you can see we have our thanks for watching sticker at the end here. So that's how you can add thanks for watching sticker on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.